After going through 4 or 5 different companies, the response we got from Business Edge just seemed to be something we're much more comfortable with than what we were getting from other companies. So it was utterly important for us to be able to maintain that control and make sure that each lot refers to specific countries of origin, both in the purchase and in the sale of the product, because they must tie together. And the Business Edge was able to do that for us. It's easy to use. It's user-friendly. Has a lot of different reporting options. It's quick, and it's relatively simple. Sometimes simple is good. Customers coming in and asking specifically for a product, the screen gives us the cost, it gives us the inventory availability, it'll give us the country of origin, it'll give us the part numbers, and with the click of a key you get sales history and customer information, so it's got everything we need. Knowing what I know now, I would definitely choose Business Edge as our software.
Now we're able to do business remotely with customers. The vendor managed inventory component has helped us grow by leaps and bounds. And our customers have a lot of confidence in our abilities. As a small business, we're able to function like a much larger company. And when a military account needs a piece of documentation or something, it's not for us to fumble through storage boxes. It's for us to push a button and extract that directly from the Business Edge, and we're able to do that. Because of the talent that we have, but also the system that we have, offers us the ability to almost do $1 million per employee, which is a pretty aggressive number in this marketplace. Got one of those 1 o'clock in the morning phone calls from the alarm company, and you know, I jump into my vehicle, I go to OT&R, and I no longer have a front door, and the police are there, and the first thing I recognize is all the computers and the server are gone. So I'm obviously in a panic. I get up the next morning on a Saturday. I called Denny Cowie personally on his cell phone, and he said, "Dave, it's not a problem." They reconfigured equipment on Monday, shipped it out next day air on Monday, and we as a business were back up and running on Tuesday. So to have that comfort and confidence in a partner that you're doing business with, that we did not skip a beat with our customers because they're relying on us for the same. It's been a home run for us, and one of the best decisions OT&R and myself have made since the beginning. So we can look at a particular product and see where it's located at any given time. And when we do inventory transactions from South Florida to Orlando, that transaction is maintained within the Business Edge, and products can be sold from specific locations, can be received into specific locations, and beyond the physical inventory status, all the quality records are maintained with that same product as well for it. And our whole industry revolves around lot integrity, lot traceability, and we're able to tie a purchase from a vendor through the secondary operation process, maintain that lot integrity and build upon that and offer that to our customer because they have requirements, whether it's through aviation or the government or what have you, those lot numbers, that traceability factor has to be maintained. And we're able to do that seamlessly through the Business Edge. We can pick up, anybody at OT&R can pick up the phone and communicate with anybody at Computer Insights at any given time and solve a problem or enhance the product. We're all in the communication business. And with that communication being in place, it's a home run for everybody. And it's a home run not only for OTNR and for Computer Insights, it's a home run for our customers, and that's given us the ability to grow.
The Business Edge is very easy to use. I've worked with other programs in the past that were very hard to understand, very hard to maneuver. Business Edge is really simple, but it gives you the information that you need. From my point of view, I think the Business Edge doesn't need any changing. It works exactly for what I need, so I wouldn't change a thing. Computer Insights are always very helpful. You get a person on the phone when you call, not an answer machine, and they're very receptive and very supportive of us.
The reason it's so great is because our aerospace customers that we service from this location require lot traceability. They also require having lots of paperwork that flow with the product. And we're able to retrieve that very easily and timely because our turnaround time is generally only 24 hours. So it becomes quite a benefit to have that available that quickly. We have many customers who will have received their product and all their paperwork, but somewhere within their processes they've lost what they're looking for. And they'll call us up or they'll email us, and I still can provide them almost immediately with what they're looking for based on the lot traceability, the part number, and their purchase order number, all of which shows up on the packing list and is very retrievable. And I've seen the growth from Cardex systems to high-end Business Edge systems. And it's much easier to find that paperwork today because of scanning capabilities. It allows us instantaneous gratification versus having to dig through boxes and files and look for things. And the tutorials are very helpful. They helped me immensely when I first started. And anybody new coming in, I would set them at a computer and I would say, I need you to just go through the sample company, look at all the screens, become very familiar with what you know to be, and we'll put you on live when we feel you're comfortable enough to do that. It's very simple, very easy. It's just a push of a button, and it makes it much simpler than trying to navigate different sectors or systems. One system, Business Edge, it's perfect. With the Business Edge and its scannability, it makes it much easier for us to do our job. I can't imagine not having the Business Edge.